So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are preparing creamy pasta. For this we wanted pasta, 2 tablespoons of maida, Italian seasoning, oregano and Amul cheese. For taste we want black pepper and salt. We had taken here pizza pasta sauce and veg mayonnaise with butter. In veggies we had taken 1 capsicum, 2 small size of onion, half of a cabbage and 2 slit of green chili. It's totally up to you. You can add any kind of veggies like corn, mushrooms, corn kernels, baby corn, etc. Here we had taken 400 grams of pasta and now let's boil it. For boiling we want boiling water and 2 tablespoons oil. We have to add salt in it. After the water is boiled, we had to add our pasta. Now we are preparing here creamy pasta. It's not totally a white sauce pasta, but we can say that it's a pink sauce pasta. Now when the pasta is boiling, take a pan and heat it. Here we can see pan is heated. Now we have to add 2 tablespoons oil and chilies and all our veggies. First of all we have to add onion, and fry until it's golden brown. We don't have to caramelize our onion, it should be crunchy. For taste, I had taken 1 tablespoon of butter for our veggies for the extra creamy flavor. You can say that onion is pinkish brown. Now we have to add cabbage, capsicum and all the veggies you wanted. Fry until it's become charred in color. Add some salt and pepper to it and the heat should be in medium. Here I have taken oregano for seasoning. You can skip it, but oregano add Italian flavors. After 2 or 3 minutes the veggies became soft and crispy too. Now drain the pasta and wash it with cold water. Now we have to take another pan and heat some 2 tablespoons of butter for white sauce. We have to keep it in mind the flame should be in medium or low flame. Add 2 tablespoons of maida and keep stirring with the mixer. Here I had taken more butter because I think it's necessary to be creamy. Cook until the maida becomes slightly golden brown and don't forget to whisk. You should continuously whisk it properly. You can see here that the maida is cooking very well. Don't brown it. It should be in a golden brown color. In this stage we have to add milk or water. For this we have taken 2 cup of milk and 2 cup of water. While adding milk, keep in mind that flame should be low and continuous stir it all so that it cannot stick to your pan. Keep it a minute, boil it after it becomes thick. Now add salt to taste, some pepper, pizza pasta sauce. I had taken 2 or 3 tablespoons. It's your taste, you can add more or less. And you can see how the color is changing. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and stir it. Add oregano, Italian seasoning, and mix it well. Our sauce is preparing very well. Now at last add 2 or 3 cubes of cheese. I have taken here processed cheese. You can take mozzarella or cheddar too. After some time it becomes creamy and thick. At that time we have to add our pasta. The veggies we had sorted earlier, we have to add this all and mix it well. You can see that how creamy that is looking. Mix it for 2 or 3 minutes and pasta will absorb all the sauces and become more creamy. Stir it well and now it is ready to serve it. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.